Do you like learning about space life? Then you have to visit the Baikonur Cosmodrome Museum. Learn about the life of cosmonauts in space and see spacesuits, helmets, and other things that they used. Outside the museum, you can see a full-size model of the spaceship Soyuz and the shuttle Buran. You can even explore inside Space Shuttle Buran. Go up the stairs to the pilot's cabin to take control of the spaceship. Don't forget to visit the houses of Korolev and Gagarin and see where famous cosmonauts lived.
Visit the National Space Centre in England and see one of the largest planetariums in the UK. There are so many exciting things to see and do here. You can start at the planetarium, walk through the gallery, and stop off at Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Take time to drive a car on Mars and even see Venus in 3D. Before you leave, remember to take a photo that makes you look like an alien.